Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, we have the latest smartphone from Samsung, Samsung A51. Samsung Galaxy A51 is the successor to the Galaxy A50s series, which was already launched at the end of 2019. Okay, now let's unbox this Samsung Galaxy A51. Here's the look of the Samsung Galaxy A51 package. The box design looks pretty similar to the previous Samsung Galaxy A series. The series of this device is printed at the bottom of the box. On the front side, there is a picture of the Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. It comes with a new front-facing camera design with a cutout display. Here's the look of its new camera design that pretty much looks like the latest Samsung Galaxy S20 device camera setup. It has 4 cameras and 1 LED flashlight inside the box. On the left side of the box, there is a print of Samsung Galaxy A51. There is no print whatsoever on the right and top of the box. At the bottom, there is a print of its color variants, Prism Crush White. And there is also 128 gigs internal memory and also 6 gigs of RAM. Now let's break the seal of this box and open this Samsung Galaxy A51. The first thing we get is the serial number sticker inside the box. Then at the top there is a small box that holds the SIM card tray ejector, a manual book, and also a transparent jelly case. Then we get the Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone device in white color. On the back cover, there are some patterns that looks pretty much similar to Samsung Galaxy A50s design. Then there is also a little rainbow color change when exposed to light. Next, on the front side, there are prints of this phone specification: Infinity display, quad cameras, and also on-screen fingerprint. Before we look at the smartphone, let's see what other things that we get inside this box. Here we get a fast charging adapter that already supports fast charging up to 15 watts. Then we also get a USB Type-C cable, and there are also earphones that come with it. These earphones look like previous standard Samsung earphone design. That's all the contents of the package. In the box there is Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone, a standard Samsung earphone, fast charging adapter 15 watt, and also a USB Type-C cable. Then we also get a transparent jelly case, manual book, and also SIM card tray ejector. And that's the whole contents of the box. Now let's put aside all of the contents of the box and focus on Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. It looks very attractive and interesting with the new camera design that looks more prominent because of the white color on the back, and the camera part is black. To make the white color on the smartphone looks better, let's change the background. And here it is, the back view of the Samsung Galaxy A51. There is a pattern on the back which looks quite similar to previous Samsung Galaxy A50s design. There is only a slight difference in the diagonal pattern that appears a little wider on the Samsung Galaxy A51. For the camera module on the previous A50s series, the camera comes with 3 camera setup. It comes with downward design on the left. On Samsung Galaxy A51, there is one additional macro camera. The camera design has also changed to the box design. The placement of the camera looks like the letter L. The thickness of the camera module looks quite thin. The position of the LED flash is also moved into the frame of the camera box on the Samsung A51. Other differences is the position of the Samsung logo. It was previously at the middle on the back cover on Samsung Galaxy A50s. Now on Samsung Galaxy A51, it moved to the bottom part of the back case. The position of the button and the port looks pretty much similar on both A51 and A50s. At the bottom of the phone there is a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, microphone, and also speaker. On the right there is a power button and also a volume button. At the top there is only a microphone, and the SIM card slot is on the left side of the device. The SIM card slot also comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot just like on the previous Galaxy A51. And those are some differences between Samsung Galaxy A51 and Samsung Galaxy A50s. For those of you who want to see the full review of Samsung Galaxy A50s device, you can check the link on the upper right corner of this video. You can also check the link in the description of this video. Now let's turn on the Samsung A51 smartphone to see the screen design and also take a quick look of the front camera. And here it is, the first look of Samsung Galaxy A51. Let's set up the device for the initial settings. And this is the initial display of Samsung Galaxy A51 after setup. If we compare the Samsung A51 with the previous A50s model, the size of the top bezel looks not much different. But the front cutout display design makes the front display look so much better on Samsung Galaxy A51. The punch hole cutout design on Samsung A51 looks more premium as compared to the previous notch on Samsung A50s. The front camera also looks smaller and pretty much similar to the design of Samsung Note 10 series. On the bottom bezel, it's clear that the size is much thinner on Samsung A51 as compared with Samsung A50s model. Next, let's look at the operating system and the UI. Samsung A51 comes with One UI 2.0 based on the latest Android 10 out of the box. Since it already used One UI 2.0, of course it already comes with the latest full-screen gesture navigation. There are also many other new features based on Android 10 on this device, which is quite interesting and pretty useful. If you want to know more about the other features that are available on this latest One UI 2.0 update, you can check out our previous video on the upper right corner of this video. You can also check the link on the description of this video. Next, let's take some sample photos of the Samsung A51. These are some sample photos taken on Samsung A51's rear camera. For a more complete camera test and a full review, you can check out our next video that will cover the full review of the Samsung A51 device. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also click the bell icon so you don't miss out the next video and also get a notification when there is a new video from this channel. See you in the next video.